Hello, friends, and hello, fellow vintage lovers. Welcome to yet another haul. So, most of these items came from a garage sale, and there's a couple of leftovers from the Highway 80 sale. This will be the last Highway 80 haul. Can you believe it? I haven't had to source in over a month. Okay, I'm going to try to go fast. I'm going to be Speedy Gonzalez here, or I'm going to try to at least. And unfortunately, due to so much being in this one space, I'm just going to kind of go over each item but not lift them and, show you the normal details. But I wanted to get this out before my sale with Sabrina. It is at 6 Eastern, 5 Central on her channel. It's on my community page. Make sure you're subscribed to her because we do sales every week together, multiple sales every week, 3 sales every week. So anyway, this is another chalkware owl. This one is also from Mexico. It does have a little bit of paint loss there, but he's amazing. He's huge too. Look at his little feet poking through. Again, I'm not going to move him right now, but he's incredible. This is probably not something I'm going to show in a live sale, so if you're interested, you can definitely shoot me an email. He is precious. He's adorable. I love him, but he's just big. I'm not afraid to ship him, but I really don't want to show something quite this big in a live sale. I think you guys understand. I know you do. Then here is this beautiful Polish crystal candy dish. I want to show you the finial. Look at the top of this. It is absolutely stunning. This is incredible. It's wonderful. It does have a sticker. It must be in the back explaining that it is Polish. Then I got this little shell. I think this might be recycled glass. I haven't looked it up yet. Little trinket dish. I think it's cute. I love it. Then here, I picked up these because I just thought they were precious. These are shakers, and I love how the holes are there on the top, like that. Really cute leaves, perfect for Thanksgiving and for fall. Then back here is a beautiful ginger jar. Look at the pheasant on this. Now, the ginger jar lid does have a little bit of damage. It's not bad, but it does have a crack on it. Not a chip, but a crack. But it is so rare these days to find these vintage ginger jars with their lid. So I was super excited about that. I think it's beautiful, kind of amari colored. Stunning. Then this bird, so he is made in Brazil. And I think he's beautiful. Looks like I need to clean his tail one more time. He is really cute. He's a bigger figurine. Not quite sure what kind of bird he is. If you know, put it in the chat. But yeah, I love some of this vintage Brazilian pottery. I think it's beautiful. Highly underrated. Okay, so this is stunning. This is glass. This is Japan. And it has these beautiful flowers on it. It is a very tall vase. Let me show it to you better. It is just stunning. There is some sticker residue. I've been working on it. I still have to work on it again to get that off, but it is absolutely beautiful, and I love this. It is on both sides. Here's the other side there. Behind it is this multi-sack purse. It is like in brand new condition. It's a sack purse, the brand SAC, but it has multiple storage areas. There's different zippered areas in it. It's really cool, especially if you carry a big purse. Keep it organized with one of those. Okay, then back here is this beautiful picture. I actually have 2 of these, so if you're interested in these, let me know. I think this is Indiana glass. I cannot remember the name of the pattern, but it is this beautiful amber picture with this floral design. It is wonderful, and it's in great shape. Back here, if you're into butterflies, you may like these. I have this wall art. It is metal butterflies with leaves. I think you can see that pretty well. Really cool. Those are in great shape as well. Then over here, I kind of have them stuffed here. I have this adorable vintage tablecloth for Easter. It has the bunny, flowers. It has a little chick. Then I have this, and I believe this is a scarf. You'll see it in the live sale. And then down here is a multicolored Afghan. This is a smaller one. This is more like a throw, but it's in wonderful condition, and I love all the colors in it. Okay, and a haul wouldn't be complete these days without some jewelry. These pieces are just wonderful. I believe they are all vintage. The first thing I want to show you is this gorgeous glass rhinestone necklace. It is beautiful. It's in wonderful condition. Zoom in on these. There you go. Is that not stunning? Then up here, these are all the earrings are clip-ons, just so you know. Are these heart clips? These are so cute. I like that they have this iridescent coating on one side. They're silver tone. I haven't pulled out the loop to see if any of these are marked, so I apologize, I'm not sure. These are beautiful as well. This really pretty rhinestone flower. And I said clip-ons, but some of these are screwbacks. Just realized that. Here are these. These are really pretty with the blue. A little bit of wear on them. Did I show these? No. These are beautiful as well. I love the blue. Stunning. Are you marked? Looks like you are, but I cannot read it right now. That's okay. We don't need to know right now, right? Back here, I think these are my favorite. Look at these. These rhinestone and faux pearls, and you have the dangling pearl. These are wonderful. I love them. Okay, then what else do we have? Then we have these, and my black light is upstairs, but I kind of think these might glow. You got the faux amber here. Here is the back. These are marked. Can't read it. What does that say? Oh, craft. I guess this is coral craft. Oh my goodness. That's wonderful. Then these remind me of Brighton. This brass tone with the black hearts. I don't think these were marked. But yeah, with the exception of those right there, these are all in wonderful condition. It's picking up dirt from these. I do apologize. I had to clean all of this before I laid it out. Then you have these seed bead and AB coated rhinestone clips. Here is the back of them. These are great as well. Okay, did I do it? I did it in 8 minutes. Oh my goodness. So consider this a live sale preview. Again, 6 Eastern, 5 Central on Simon Says Let's Make a Deals channel. We'll each have 21 items. And you don't have to come to purchase. We just want you there. We just appreciate every single one of you guys. And we will be having our normal Saturday sale. That's at noon Eastern, 11 Central. And that one is on my channel. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. And everyone have a wonderful hump day. Bye.